Is your laptop or smartphone running slow? Welcome to my channel, where today I'll show you how to speed up your devices in just a few steps. We'll explore how to your cache and cookies, close unused apps, disable startup programs, keep your software up to date, and up storage space. Each of these steps can help to boost the performance of your laptop or smartphone, making it faster, more efficient, and more enjoyable to use. So prepare to turbocharge your tech. Don't forget to subscribe this video and leave a comment below. Our first stop on this speed-up journey is clearing your cache and cookies. So, what are cache and cookies? Well, as you browse the internet, your device stores tiny bits of information from the websites you visit. That's your cache and cookies. They help load web pages faster on your next visit, but over time they accumulate and may slow down your device. Let's clean them up. On a laptop, open your browser settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security and then Clear Browsing Data. Select your desired time range, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Hit Clear Data and you're good to go. On a smartphone, it's pretty similar. Open your browser app, tap on the three dots, then Settings. Under Privacy and Security, tap Clear Browsing Data. Choose your time range, select cookies and site data, and cached images and files, then tap Clear Data. Once you've cleared your cache and cookies, you should start to notice your device running smoother. Next up, we're closing unused apps to free up some much-needed memory. It might seem harmless to leave apps open in the background, but they can actually eat up a lot of your device's memory and processing power. This is because they're still running, even if you're not actively using them. So let's reclaim that processing power. On a laptop, you'll want to right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. From there, simply select the apps you want to close and click End Task. Now, on a smartphone, the process is just as easy. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Swipe left or right to find the apps you're not using, then swipe up on them to close them. With fewer apps running in the background, your device will have more processing power to handle what you actually need it to do. Our third stop is disabling startup programs to speed up your boot time. Startup programs are those applications that are automatically launched when you turn on your device. While some of these are essential for your system, others might just be slowing you down. On a laptop, you'll want to open the Task Manager, which you can do by right-clicking on your taskbar. From there, you'll click on the Startup tab. This will show you a list of all the programs that start up with your computer. Simply select the ones you don't need at startup and click Disable. On a smartphone, you'll go to your phone's settings, tap on Apps, then tap on See All Apps. From here, you can select the app you want to disable and tap Disable. By disabling unnecessary startup programs, you'll get to your desktop or home screen faster when you turn on your device. Don't overlook the importance of software updates. These aren't just about flashy new features or aesthetic tweaks. They often come packed with vital performance improvements and bug fixes that can greatly enhance the speed and efficiency of your device. So, when that notification pops up, don't ignore it. Promptly installing the latest software updates ensures your laptop or smartphone runs at its optimal capacity. Remember, staying up to date is key to maintaining a speedy device. Finally, we're going to free up some storage space on your device. When your device storage is nearing its limit, it can significantly slow down its performance. The solution? Start by deleting unwanted files, apps, and photos. They're not just taking up space, but also slowing you down. For the files you want to keep, consider moving them to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or iCloud. With more free space, your device will have room to breathe and operate more efficiently. And that's it. 5 simple ways to speed up your laptop or smartphone. We've covered clearing your cache and cookies, closing unused apps, disabling startup programs, updating your software, and freeing up storage space. If you're still encountering issues, consider more advanced solutions like upgrading your hardware or reinstalling your operating system. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, a faster device means a smoother experience. Happy streaming!